Let's talk about your business and your workflow. We'll open on your studio. You offer several different services in the rooms that you have at different prices. You also have a bunch of equipment that you may also offer for certain prices, and of course, things break, so you want to keep track of the maintenance that you do on each piece of equipment to keep it working. Since you're in business, you've got several different clients and vendors and staff, and each of them have addresses and phone numbers and emails and websites and FTP and billing and shipping information and other preferences, etc., that you need to keep track of. One day, a client calls up and asks you to create a budget for a big job, and of course, you get it. Soon you forget all about the budget because you're now in production on a few different jobs, and each one of those has several different phases or projects within it, and each one of those in turn has a bunch of project line items, which are your different resources, rooms, equipment, staff, and services, and media, etc., with different dates and times and prices. Some of which are forgotten about because you've got another new project that you're even more excited about. Maybe it would be a good idea if all this stuff showed up in a calendar that everyone could see and maybe even access on mobile devices too. Speaking of that, there's a lot of communication that goes on, and you want to keep good records of this, where each call or email is linked back to the staff member, client, vendor, or project that it's connected to. And of course, there's tasks. Nothing gets done if no one creates and assigns tasks with due dates and times to different staffers for the different productions and projects that are underway. Now that we are underway, we've got a bunch of raw stock that becomes physical media assets that you might want to create labels for with barcodes. Of course, you have a ton of digital media assets as well that you need to associate back to the clients and the projects and the physical media assets they belong to. You probably want to receive and deliver these assets electronically with automatic logging and the ability to build the transfer back to the project. Now, even though you're so busy, wouldn't it be great if your clients could request your services from your website and have it automatically linked to your database and notify you via email? And of course, we want all this to magically flow out to invoices and link back to the projects and clients that they belong to, do all kinds of reporting, and also export it out to third-party accounting software. Now, there's just a few more things. You'd want anything you use to be user customizable with the ability to import and export data in common formats. You might want it to be cross-platform and networkable, and you want it to be accessible via the internet, and of course, you want it to be secure. You're not asking for much, and there's got to be a way to do this because soon things will get out of hand. You know that if you lose track of all these details, you lose track of your business, and that would be bad. So let's simplify and break it down into some basic keywords so it's a little more clear. Then, let's see what it would look like if there was software that actually did all of this. Of course there is. It's called Studio Suite, and it will help you propel your business. For more information, please contact sales@studiosuite.com or call 1-800-450-5740. Thanks for watching.